Hello, everyone. Oh, look at this.
What is it?
I found a coin on my desk.
That's nice. I love finding money.
Me too. Speaking of money, that's our topic today.
Yes, today we're talking about money.
Money is very important in daily life.
You use it every day.
Let's talk about it together.
This will be fun.
So, Tom, what is money?
Good question. Money is what we use to buy things.
That's right. We need money for food, clothes, and other things.
Exactly. Money can be cash or coins.
I also use my card to pay.
Me too. Cards are very convenient.
My friend Maria always pays with her card.
That's common now. Do you prefer cash or card?
I like both. Sometimes I use cash, sometimes my card.
Same here.
Tom, how do people get money?
We earn money by working.
Right. We have jobs and we get paid.
Let me tell you about my first job.
Oh, tell me.
I worked in a small bookstore when I was young. Every Friday, I got my salary. It was exciting.
That's wonderful. Your first payment is always special.
Yes, now I know Ahmed. He works at a cafe.
That's a good job.
And my neighbor Chen teaches music.
Teaching is great. People work different jobs.
Some people work part-time, some work full-time.
And everyone gets paid for their work.
Lucy, what do you spend money on?
Oh, many things. I spend money on food every week.
Food is important.
Yes, I also pay for my apartment rent.
Rent is expensive.
It is. And I need money for transportation too.
Like buses and trains.
Exactly. What about you?
I spend money on food, rent, and my phone bill.
Those are necessities.
But I also like to buy things I want.
Like what?
Sometimes I buy books or go to the movies.
That's nice. Let me tell you about shopping. Last week, I went to the supermarket. I saw two types of apples. One was expensive, one was cheap.
Which one did you buy?
I bought the cheap one. They were delicious.
Smart choice. I know Sophia. She always checks prices when she buys groceries.
That's good. Kenji also likes to shop carefully. He's looking for new shoes now.
Shopping is fun, but we need to watch our money.
True. That's why we ask, how much is it?
Right. How much does this cost?
These are important questions.
Lucy, do you save money?
Yes, I do. Saving money is very important.
I agree. Why do you save?
I save for the future. Maybe I need money later.
That makes sense.
Some people use a piggy bank at home.
That's cute. I put my money in a bank account.
Bank accounts are safe.
Yes. And you know what? I'm saving money for something special.
Really? What is it?
I want to visit the beach next summer. Every month, I put some money in my savings account.
That's excellent. I love the beach too.
Saving helps me reach my goal.
I know Yuki. She's saving money for a bicycle.
A bicycle is useful.
Carlos saves money too. He goes to the bank every week.
Going to the bank regularly is a good habit.
Little by little, your money grows.
Exactly.
Tom, how can people be careful with money?
Good question. We need to make smart choices.
Right. One way is to make a budget.
What's a budget?
A budget is a plan for your money. You decide what to buy and how much to spend.
Oh, I see. So you plan before you shop?
Exactly. Nina always makes a shopping list before going to the store.
That's smart. Lists help you remember what you need.
And you don't buy extra things.
Omar also checks prices before buying anything.
Comparing prices is important.
We also need to think about needs and wants.
What's the difference?
Needs are things you must have, like food and rent.
And wants are things you like but don't need.
Yes, like candy or toys or expensive clothes.
I understand. We buy needs first.
Right. If you have extra money, then you can buy wants.
That's good advice.
And it's important not to spend all your money.
Save some for later.
When you make good choices, you feel happy.
I agree. Money management is a life skill.
Everyone can learn it. Lucy, let's review some important phrases.
Great idea.
I need money for food.
I need money for food.
How much is it?
How much is it?
That's expensive.
That's expensive.
I'm saving money.
I'm saving money.
I want to buy a new phone.
I want to buy a new phone.
Do you have change?
Do you have change?
I get paid every week.
I get paid every week.
I spend money on groceries.
I spend money on groceries. Great job today, everyone.
You learned so much.
Now you can talk about money in English.
Practice these phrases every day.
Thank you for learning with us.
Please subscribe to our channel.
And don't forget to click the like button.
We love helping you learn English.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.
Pronounce faster.